Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and I'm with the PGTI University. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to attach your dummy handle to the Sentinel Sliding Glass Door 150 glass panel. Locate your parts kit box, and inside you'll have your dummy handle and 2 Tek screws. Next, we'll need a screwdriver to unscrew this plate from the handle. Once you've unscrewed the 2 screws from the handle, this plate will come off the handle, and this is what we need to fasten to the glass panel. Using the 2 Tek screws, we can now fasten this plate to the glass panel. Remember, these holes on the side should face the glass. Those are going to fit into the pre-punched holes, and with our screw gun, we can now fasten this plate to the glass panel. Using my handle and the 2 screws I removed earlier, I can now set my handle into the plate. Using my screwdriver, I can now fasten the plate to the handle to hold it in position. I've now finished tightening both screws to hold the handle to the plate. I've now added my dummy handle to the Sentinel Sliding Glass Door 150 glass panel. I'm Patrick Jameson, and thanks for watching.